Hockey Fanatic, and I am here to play some White Noise. My buddies here. We got Jake, Keaton, and Joey. Go ahead and say hi, fellas.
I like pickles.
No, you don't!
Anyway, let's start the game.
Anyway, this is my first video in quite a long time. I just haven't really thought about videos, and hopefully for my birthday I'll get a camera, make everything better. But, enough of the introduction. Let's get to the game. Ready, guys?
No, we're just sitting here waiting for 5 minutes now.
Jake, talk.
Alright, Joey, let's go, Joey. Where's Joey?
Alright. This is on Nightmares, be careful.
I'm not afraid.
Keaton, I see you. You're in the orange.
Joey, you look so gay. Is that you?
Maybe.
What's up, guys?
Jake, you scared me.
Let's go. Alright, Jake.
Everyone, split up.
Joey, are you Velma? You're flipping Velma from Scooby-Doo, dude. You look gay.
Dude, Keaton, you're in a you're in an orange windsuit.
I'm a what?
You're in an orange windsuit.
Yeah, I am.
So, you look beautiful.
I am beautiful.
Jake, look. Jake, look, it's your mom. Jake, it's your mom.
Jake, it's not nice to not say hi to your mom. There you go.
Keaton, I found a
You for dinner.
Joey, how much did you pee, man?
I'm sorry.
You need to learn to hold the bladder for once, man.
Where are you at?
Anyway,
Okay, let's go. Find some recording, guys.
No, I thought I was going to look for flipping Bob Saget's titties.
Now you're supposed to be looking for tape recorders.
Okay.
Brendan, left me alone. Where'd you go?
Hey, Joey, let's go check out this gay artifact over here.
I was saying hi to my mom. You just like deserted me.
You left him while he was saying hi to his mom. You have problems.
dude, Velma walked for
I see a tape recorder.
I see what? I see one. I captured one.
I didn't.
Calm down, Keith, calm down.
You scared me, man. I was just taking a sissy.
Okay, he's gone.
Oh yeah, I see a monkey on. Who's that?
Last time I checked, it doesn't take 10 minutes to take a sissy.
Jake, get over here, dude. He's over here somewhere. I just saw him.
Keith, look up. You can see the northern lights.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Bob Saget.
Can we get out of here before Mr. Rapist comes back?
Yeah, maybe.
You never took that perk of tape recorder, because that's when he gets really.
Do we have to watch our language in this video? Because, I mean,
Yes,
I really
you do.
don't want to. Alright, I'll start bleeping myself. What the fudge pop?
Here
we go.
Oh, Bob Saget! Bob!
Do another one.
Flipping Saget! Bob flipping Saget!
Dude, me and Joey are like on a roll today.
That's 2 out of.
Oh, there's a green. Hey, the green rock's over there.
Don't look like a freaking chipmunk.
Hey, it's the squirrel on crack.
Let's go to this. Dude, Keaton, I'm gonna hang myself.
Yeah, me too. No, you're too, leave cool. I was gonna say something else, but I didn't say it.
Wow, there's another chipmunk on crack over there.
Joey, he's watching us.
Keaton, my friend.
Oh, Bob! Oh, Bob! Mr. Bob!
Oh God,
Mr. Bob!
Mr.
Mr. Bob.
Hey, look, I see a rock over there. That rock, doesn't that rock look like a turtle? Doesn't that rock look like a turtle?
It looks like a turtle. It actually does. No, it really does look like a turtle.
From a distance, it looks like a turtle.
Look, you can look at its eyes.
Oh my God!
You okay?
Yeah, he's on the left flank. The left flank.
Be careful, watch your surroundings.
Oh God, he's behind that rock over there. He's taking a sissy. He's taking a sissy. Go.
We'll let you do your own thing, bro.
Brendan, turn around.
He went away.
Watch, I'm moonwalking.
We need to go this way then.
Ho! Go the other way.
Okay, let's go, Jake. We gotta find some tape recorders.
Me and Joey are all doing all the work over here. Joey! No!
King, where are you? King,
Joey, I'm alive!
calm down, breathe through your anus hole.
Okay. I'm dead. No, don't rape me. I'm sorry I didn't pay the bill. God dang it. I'm gonna have to blow my rape whistle.
That tape recorder?
Oh God!
Oh, Bob! Oh, God. Stop, Jake, run! Run like a butthole.
I blew the rapist
Oh
whistle.
God! There's a chipmunk.
He's still over there, Jake. He's still behind us. Oh, Bob, Saggy's right there now.
Joey left me for dead out there.
I'm sorry,
You left for dead.
disconnected with my butt internet.
Yeah, now your butt got me.
Jake,
Butt
you need to get that
killed.
tape recorder wherever it is and get the butthole out of here.
Oh God! There's ghosts.
I'm a rapist.
King, you there? What's up, buddy?
Your face.
Yeah,
Jake, run!
Where do you see him? I can't see him. I'm gonna follow you guys from the red.
It's behind you. Look behind you.
Did I get her? No.
No, he's not.
I don't know why you can't.
Hey guys, wait guys, come back over here. There's a tape recorder right here.
Can I join you guys?
I'm sorry. I can't turn around.
You're welcome. We're out of here.
Yeah, dude, let's get out of here, man. Let's get out of
I'm
here.
moonwalking.
Am I moonwalking? Am I moonwalking?
Wait, what about me?
No, let's go. Let's get moonwalk. Yeah.
Oh God, he's moonwalking! Fucking guy's moonwalking!
You didn't know it.
Freaking Halo 4 and we can play this. Oh my God.
Where did you need to get Halo 4?
I will not get Halo
At least
4.
go.
We were talking about why
At least
you
go
don't
red.
not Halo 4. Why is this man growling? It's not a dog.
Hello, guys.
Oh God, it's the monsters! Look! Keaton, look!
Hey, it's my mom. Don't make fun of her.
Guys, I'm
I didn't know.
in your
I've
mind.
never met your mom, so I didn't know.
Guys, remind me never to be partners with Joey again, please.
Come on, bud. Take the corner.
I see it.
Scares me more.
Halfway there. You gotta help.
Alright. I gotta follow you guys though, because if I don't, you guys are gonna get lost. You guys are lucky. Your partner didn't leave you KIA. Hey Brendan, there's a tree right there, dude.
I didn't see. I can't see. Jake, run. Move your butthole.
Brendan, you like flipping face plant in a tree. You guys are running too fast. I can't keep up.
Oh my God.
Jake, you're going. Turn right, Jake. You're losing spot. Jake, don't worry, I got your
Where
back.
is he? Oh, he's behind the tree.
Jake's just being gay.
I'm being gay.
Hey, all right. Oh my God!
They're all seeing it.
It's a portal.
Private's character goes, ah! Jake's character goes, ah!
Jake, he's right on your butthole. He's grabbing your titty.
Hey, watch the language.
To the point that it's not even scary.
Sorry, YouTube.
Isn't this going
Jake,
like
come on
what
over
you
here.
call her
Let's
too?
get
You know what? I don't think I care about a raisin butter.
I can still walk around, dude. I'm not completely useless. Hey, tape recorders right here. Guys, tape recorders right here. Tape recorders right there.
Jake, let's get out of here. I do not want to get stuck here again, so let's get there.
Five, wait up for Jake. Easy here, but he's really slow.
Oh man, my flashlight is dimming up. I can't see.
You have to turn it off and let it charge.
Okay.
Five, are you dead?
No, I'm good.
Jake, wait up for Spy, he's over here. I see his flashlight.
He's flashlight in distance.
Jake, how's your flashlight doing? How can you see with your flashlight?
He's right there.
Is your flashlight bright?
I like walking through you guys. You guys get chills when I walk through you?
Hey, don't look around.
I'm not looking around. I'm going to turn off my flashlight and charge it. Dude, Keith, you have to walk me around. You have to walk me around so I can see you perfectly.
I can't see Slender Gay. I can't see him. I can only see you guys. Tape recorders and stuff.
What is
He's crazy.
I know, but just follow.
I call him Slender
Follow
Alien.
Jake. Follow Jake. Follow Jake.
Oh, okay, okay.
So that I can
Yeah,
follow Jake.
follow the leader.
I need to charge myself.
Follow the good walking leader.
Ah, I saw him too!
You guys, I can't sprint. You guys are you guys are like walking in circles. Jake, go right. Go right.
I can't go right.
Five, there's a tree.
I know, I
There's a
saw.
tree right there.
I saw.
Buddy, I don't know. I'm not getting shit in my pants.
Are you okay?
You just shut up for once.
Yeah, Joey, shut up.
You're gone, Joey. Shut up.
Yeah, you left me to die. You're the only reason I died. I died because I was alone. I died.
Cracked to our left.
I can't see.
Guys, whip it. High five, bro.
Why is he teleporting in front of me? That's enough. I don't like it.
Are you okay?
He's right here. Keaton, I see you. He's to your left. Help me. Keaton, you gotta help me.
I can't do anything, man. I'm gay. I mean, invisible.
I hear him breathing down my
Hey, can you dead?
Yeah, I did.
Eat me.
No,
Hey, Jake,
I'm
what's up?
alone.
There's Jake. You like how there's like a flying orb?
That was something.
Dude, I was running towards the rock too, so I had to run towards the guy.
Yeah, I probably would have lived longer if it wasn't for Joey.
Yeah, I found all the tape recorders.
Look, I screamed like 6 times.
I screamed twice because Joey had to leave the game. Let me and Joey go our own way.
That's it for tonight.